I swear, I have the money. Just not here, it's at home.
I have no time for that. What you just ate here is a monthly salary. Now here's the deal. You are either going to pay my money right now, or I'm going to japa you chiboko right in front of everyone.
Chief, that's not necessary. I mean, chiboko is too extreme. Come on, I swear, the money is there. I just forgot the money.
All right then. So who is going to get it for you? One of your friends, Frankie or Spikey?
No. Those guys, they don't even know where my money is. I'm the only person who knows where my money is, Chief. I can get you your money.
I don't trust you, Yobo. You are either paying my money right now, or I'm taking you home with me. You're going to clean my garden for a full month, Chief. Please.
Okay, fine.
Very true. Amazing. Yeah. Okay, darling. I call you whenever I'm in town. Okay. Yobo! Didn't I tell you to clean this place? Clean it up. Welcome, my friend. Come on. I know what you're trying to do. Yeah, maybe. There are things that we can maybe discuss. Yeah, once they come to town, why not? Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow. Yo, did I tell you to clean up this place? Huh? Clean it up.
Look around you. Look around you. You see those CCTV cameras? Those are my witnesses. You go straight to jail. Good boy. It's sometimes good to be reasonable. Now go straight back to work. Clean my car! Yes, hi, Belle.
How is the going?
The going is very, very, very bad.
What do you want from me?
This Kashot man has kidnapped me.
Come on, Yobo. You brought this upon yourself.
Belle, I didn't call you for you to be mean with me. I need you to lend me some money. When I get back home, I'll give you back your money.
I don't have that kind of money. Why don't you just tell me where your money is? I'll go get it and pay Chief to set you free.
Belle, I thought you were my friend.
Yes, I'm your friend, but you seem not to trust me.
No, I trust you. The problem is, I don't know if you can find the money where I kept it.
Of course I can find the money if you tell me where exactly you kept it.
No need. I'll take care of myself.
Yo, what are you doing?
No way. Where the hell did he come from?
Get the CCTV cameras for me. Look at how pathetic you are. What is really wrong with you, Yobo? Eh? Always spoiling things around you.
Forgive me, Chief.
I get the feeling you so much like it around here that you don't even want to go back to your home. Do you? In that case, you're paying for the restoration of my CCTV cameras, and that means another full month of you working for me.
Yo.